2021 SsangYong Tivoli and Tivoli XLV have been unobtrusively put on rest after the organization sold unavailable in Australia. Albeit the little Tivoli SUV and somewhat bigger Tivoli XLV sold in generally humble numbers, 67 and 24 vehicles individually, in the principal half of 2021, the organization says this depleted seller stock. Thus SsangYong Australia has taken out the models from its site. Year to date, the SsangYong Tivoli has beat the Ford EcoSport and Renault Captur combined.The 2021 SsangYong Tivoli and Tivoli XLV have been unobtrusively put on break after the organization sold unavailable in Australia. Albeit the little Tivoli SUV and marginally bigger Tivoli XLV sold in generally humble numbers, 67 and 24 vehicles separately, in the main portion of 2021, the organization says this depleted vendor stock. Thus SsangYong Australia has eliminated the models from its site. Year to date, the SsangYong Tivoli has beat the Ford EcoSport and Renault Captur joint, with an update to the Tivoli effectively in the pipeline. Just as the continuous effects of the COVID pandemic, SsangYong Australia says it settled on the choice to defer a nearby real launch of the models to 2022.